Hi, good morning, everyone.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning, sir.
Morning, morning. How are you all?
Yeah, doing good, sir.
Long time no talk. All set?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so let me open the file 1 minute. Are we expecting more participants? Okay, so let me share my screen. Hope you have practiced on last project one. Any questions in project one? No. And also, did I provide or did we provide any kind of like PDF? Same project also we used to have, correct? With the help of PDF file, you need to create it. Did we provide one PDF file and then same we used to provide kind of like one project. I'll tell you this project also. It's kind of same project. It's like same like profit analysis. It's same like profit analysis, daily sales trend, profit by customer segment, average days to pack, total sales by day type, sales by year. Did I provide this file also to you? No, I think no, right? Okay, so what you have to do is it's kind of same project. It's like profit analysis dashboard. So what you need to do is in this folder, if you haven't got these two file plus this Excel, not Excel, this PDF, then I'll ask to upload it and might be I can share through WhatsApp these three. So what you need to do is this is the raw data set, first file, and this is the kind of procedure, okay, kind of procedure wherein you have to follow. You have to follow this PDF. It's same like profit analysis dashboard with whatever I explain you, same like that only. So instructions are here. Okay, you need to follow the instructions as per this PDF. Okay, and then you have to create dashboard like this output. So you can refer the output and accordingly you can also refer the PDF, and then you have to work on this file. This is raw data, this is your output, and this is your procedure in PDF. Can it be possible? Can it be done? You have to work on it. I am not working. I'm not going to work on this. You have to work on it. After this class, you have 1 week of time. This
Okay.
project, you have to work upon it, and whatever project I am going to show you today, on that also you have to work on it and you have to publish the results in WhatsApp group. Fair enough?
Yes, sir.
Everyone?
Yes,
Can it
sir.
be done?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Excellent.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So this PDF plus this output, you have to follow these two, and this is the raw data set. You have to work upon it. PDF, it's very clear. Step by step, it's there. Open Excel, post assessment, data set version 1.00.xlsx. This file you have to open. Okay. Then again, what is that? Go to the orders and order information sheets to understand the available data. Perform the following in the orders sheet. That's how you have to follow it. Okay. So please work on it and submit the results. Now, for today, what are we going to discuss is it will be more of the formula, the project which I'm going to show you today. Okay, and it will be more of the conditional formatting. Okay, more of conditional formatting, it will be more of formulas. Based on this, we have to create one leave tracker. Okay, in this leave tracker, if you look at here, if I change, let's suppose April, can you see April dates? I'm just changing the month name here, and automatically it's giving me all the dates. Can you see? And Saturday, Sunday also highlighted with different colors. First Saturday, Sunday, first weekend was on 6th and 7th of April. Can you see here? 6th and 7th. Next was 13th and 14th. 13th and 14th. Correct? If I change this to, let's suppose, May month, can you see? Did you observe one thing? If I'm taking April, what is the last working day? Not working day. What is the last calendar day in April? 30th April. If I am choosing for the month of May, what is there? 31st. If I'm choosing June, June will be 30th, right? It's only showing me up to how it's working, how the color combination is there. Okay, how this drop down I created. If I am choosing, let's suppose, leave, LV means leave. How many leaves is there, right? That color combination also I will give with the help of this color combination. I will explain you how can I give it. Okay, so let me open one blank Excel workbook. The blank Excel workbook. Okay. Okay, guys. So this is the blank Excel workbook. Okay, now what I'm going to do here is I will follow this. Then I will explain you on the blank worksheet. First of all, I need to add this logo. This logo, this is nothing but it's kind of picture. This is kind of a picture which you can also export or you can also download from internet. Possible. You can just download and you can save it or you can crop it, right? And then Control C and then Control. Here I have put the logo. Done. Now I have to select month and year. That is based on what is it called? Drop down, nothing but validation. Yes or no, right? It's validation only, correct? Here also I have validation. Yes. How can I create these validations? I want to take all 12 months. Tell me how many ways are there, guys? It's kind of your knowledge check also. Okay, I want to check your knowledge also, how much you practice on all the content in last 1 month or last 20 days. Like it's been around 1 month for your batch, right? So how many? How much you practice on the content? That's what I'll keep on asking few questions. You have to respond. Okay. So how many ways to create a validation? Any idea? I told few, different types of validations when I explained you data validations.
By filtering.
By filtering, and we have to go for 2 types of ripples.
By filtering. I explained you, right? I explained you.
Dependent validation by giving that cell number.
Yeah, dependent validation is different. Yes, that also we discuss.
The
Depend-
reference manual,
Reference, exactly. Reference, manual,
manual.
and named range.
Yes.
And a named range, right? Reference, nothing but I can choose if I'm taking here. Let's suppose if I'm taking here, let me write select. Here I want to take month, right? Here I want to take month. 12 months I want to take. If I am going to take a 12 months, then what I need to do? I need to create
Monthly wise.
all the months name, right? Jan, Feb, March, April, May, June, Jan to December. Now here I can take Alt DL, shortcut key, right? Alt DL. Alt DL, I will go with list. Source is nothing but this is my source. I can take it like this. Can you see?
Yeah.
But the challenge here is what if someone will delete it, then will it be available here?
Yes, sir. No, but you have to clear totally.
Won't be available, right? That is what I can do is I will give a manual list. I will give a
Manual list.
in that case, how can I do that? I will simply remove this range and I will write it manually.
Jan Kam.
January, January, comma, then N.
February.
Do you think that I need to write it manually?
No.
Then
Is equals to
how can I do that?
select.
Select for सर इसको नेम कैसे करना पड़ेगा मतलब
Which is not clear. Then who is speaking?
इसमें पूछूंगा इसमें
Then your voice is not clear. Are you on a speaker or Bluetooth?
ब्लूटूथ सर
Not clear your voice. If I'm going to copy this list, do you think I can paste it there? But it needs comma, right? If I'm pasting this list also there in data validation, what will happen? Comma is not there, right? Because I need to write January, comma, February, comma, March, comma, April, comma, May. Yes, no? In manual list, it needs comma,
Yes, sir.
right? How can I add a comma? I told you, one complete, right? Explained you in our one of the session wherein I took all the email address, then I put into Outlook or Gmail. I put semicolon there. Do you remember? I put semicolon and I took all the email addresses and then I put into a single. Let's suppose there are 10 email addresses, right? Here example. I want to send an email to all 10 people. How will you send? You will copy the email address first, then put a semicolon in your Outlook or Gmail. Then again you will copy the second. Guys, can you please go on mute, Savita?
Sir, we can use control to.
Yeah, then semicolon, then again next email address, then again semicolon, right? We discussed already one formula. What is that formula? Okay, how can I concat all the months with comma? January, comma, February, comma, March, comma, April. How can I do that? Simple question. I'm going to tell you the answer. I use concat word, right?
Yes,
Why?
sir.
Can't you tell me concat you can use?
Um, we have
I can give a comma there, right? I can drag it. Then which function I will use here? I
oh,
can
oh,
use concat.
concept.
Concat of text is one is this, comma
Text two.
two. Text two is this, comma text three is this. Then
Yeah.
comma then this. Likewise, I can do it, right? But it will take time. I don't want to take like this. I told you on function. The function was
Text. Text join. Okay. Delimiters.
what is delimiter here?
Comma.
Ignore empty. Yes,
True.
true. X one, two, three. All these names.
Yes, sir.
Can you see now?
Yes, sir.
What I will do, I'll copy it and I will paste it here called ESV values. Now there is no more formula. It's into values now, right? Now, if I copy this from here, copy it, go there, and let me delete it by the way. Okay, then I'll already copy that, right? Can you see?
Yes,
Open
sir.
it. Done. Hit OK. Job is done. Now remove everything. I don't require these, right? It will be still there. Why? Because I entered manually. Clear? Now here I want to take here. Let's suppose I want to take this up to 2030. 2030. Same thing I will do here again. Same thing, right? What I will write 2024, 2025. I will drag it up to 2030. It's up to you. Let's suppose I want to take for 10 years, drag it up 10 years. I want to take up to 20 years, take it. Now I want to use which function? Text join delimiter. What is delimiter? Comma.
Comma.
True. All these values. 1 minute. Put a comma there again. Double click. After this, what is asking me?
Ignore empty.
Text 1, 2, 3. Text 1, 2, 3. These are the text 1, 2, 3. Hit out. Done. Same thing. Control C. Apply Alt E here. Values done. Copy these years from here. Copy from here. Okay. Do not copy from here. No, not like this. Copy from here. Control C. Escape. Go here. Hold the L. My list is this and put control. Done. Hit OK. Year is there. Month is there. Any question on this? Delete. I can select April and this. I want to give formatting to this home. Cell styles I can choose from here. Control V. Done. Here I want to give a header. Header I'll give later. Let me first create database. See, basically these readers will be having serial number, name of the employee, employee ID, and process. Right? Let's suppose if you are maintaining 3 teams under you. 3 teams, nothing but team name is example like let's suppose accounting team, or let's suppose you are maintaining accounts payable team, DNA process, or GL process, balance sheet process, right? 4 teams are there under you, correct? So you can give the team name here. Let me have only single team as of now. I am giving only finance team, but let me take all the headers. Control C, I'll put it here. Serial number 1. Okay, I want to take up to 20 team members. Tell me home, then series, column, number 20. You know it already, right? Clear? Name of the employee. Let's suppose I want to give user 1, whatever name you have. This is dummy only, but you can write your own team member name. Okay, user 1, your user to start. Employee ID E double 0001 A 000 drag it. As per your real time data, you can enter there. Okay, this is I'm just giving dummy enhanced thing. Finance. Okay. Done. Any questions so far? Are we on the same page? Page number? Two only, project two, right?
Session 2. Yes, sir. But this is project section 2 now, sir. That's why second 2.
Good. Okay. Next. Now, our working will be starting from here. This is the main thing. Right? So let me first take a date. Let me first take a date. I want to take a date here. If I'm changing the date, from here, it should take April. If I'm changing year, it should take year. Nothing but it should be, it should be kind of the formula wherein if I'm going to change the month should be changed here. If I'm changing year should be changed here. So what I will do is let me check. Okay, let me explain you first this thing. If I'm going to write like this, yeah, let's suppose 04 01 December 2024. Yes, is that it? Or if I'm writing like this, #01 December 2024. What happened? Which function I used?
Value function
And how can I change this date?
to take short date.
What is the date? Yeah.
Yes.
01 December. See, if I'm taking 01 here, month I can take from here. Year I can take from, yes, nothing but I can give this reference as a month. I can give this reference as year. Like whenever I will be choosing April, it will be taking April. If I'm choosing here 2024, it will take in 2024. Correct? So can I write like this? 01, right? And let me do like this. Concatenate. Cat 01 should be double quote. Next will be text is this, comma. Next is this. What I added there? I added 01. And then month I've taken from here and year from here. What is the date?
April,
If I'm changing this date, what is the date now?
May,
Now,
June
now changing.
2026.
And how can I change this? Which function I will use?
Value.
Value of this. Value of this is what? This. Yeah. And then I can change this to short date. Is it possible for you? Yes. Now let me apply same thing here. One cat 01, comma, text 1 is this. So text 2, comma, text 3. Text 3 will be this. But 1 minute. Text 3 will be this. Done. Now I need to change this into value. Yes or no? Value function I will use here. Done. Now I will change this into which date format? Sure. See now. Now this +1. Next date. This +1. It will be 6/2. Let me drag it up to, or first let me take it up to, let's suppose July 31st. Last day will be 31st only, right? I mean, not every month. July 31st, June will be 30th, right? But last will be 31st only. Let me drag it. Done. Now I do not like the dates, this alignment. It's horizontal alignment, right? It is taking more space, right? If it will be 90-degree, then don't you think that will take less space? Yes or no? Can I do it? The alignment. 1 minute. Pankaj, that control 1, right? Then zoom it. I want to remove it actually. I'll take your help. Zoom it. Control is not showing there. I'll discuss after the class. Okay. So now right click, format cells, and alignment, right? Alignment should be 90 degree for these cells. Hit OK. If I hit OK, can I see the dates now?
Yes, sir.
Can I remove these two now? Not required, right? Delete it. Now select all these. And double click on it. Done. Now with the help of date, I want to fetch day. Possible? With the help of date, I want to take day here. Nothing but, is it Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, what it is? Which function I will use?
Weekday.
Weekday. Text.
Value is this, comma, I will take triple time D.
D. Yes, sir. Next time.
Then I can just drag it to right hand side, Control R. That also has to be changed. If you want to change into this format, fine. If you want to take like this, 1 minute, Control 1 or format cells, alignment should be 90 degree, hit OK. Done.
Yes, sir.
Select all, double click here also. I can just give a border to this, all borders. I can just little bit expand this. I can align these into central align, center and center. Done. Let me expand this column a little bit. Done. Right? Done.
Yeah.
I want to remove, later I will remove this. Then I want to give a header to this. Nothing but it is our leave tracker. Yes or no? I can select from here all the columns. What I will apply?
Merge center.
Merge center, and here I will write leave
Tracker.
Let me expand or let me give bigger size of font. Okay. I will apply this cell reference style. Control B. Control line also I can get. Done. Now what I want to do is 31st, right?
Yeah.
If I'm choosing June, the last should be,
30.
but it's showing me
1st July.
Next month. Nothing but the last column AI. This column AI should be invisible if it is 30th day of the month. It will be there for the month of April, June, September, November, right? Then it should be hidden. Yes or no? Yeah. How can I do that? Apply your logic. If I'm choosing Feb, last should be
28th.
here only. 2024, the last should be
29th.
here only, not these two. Well, let's suppose for February, as of now, just forget about it, but simple for this. This column should be hidden, yes or no? In this column, what is the month?
May month first.
What is my month here?
April.
All these columns from here to here. If I apply function, nothing but text equal to text this, sorry, equal to text this, comma, triple M equal to this. Will be true or false? True, right? Same thing with here also. For 31st, if I'm applying a text function here, equal to text of this triple M equal to this. If it is equal, then if it is not equal, then font color should be white. Font color should be, if it is not equal. Possible that we can do? Yeah. First, let me apply all the borders here up to here. Done. And in Office, what kind of leave can be there, or what kind of, a leave tracker, what should be your drop down? Can be so many, right? I'll show you. It can be your late coming. Yes, no. It can be half day holiday. I can take full day holiday. Applied leave can be permission, can be absent or urgent. Yes or no? Let me copy this from here itself. If I can write, I can also write it. It will take time. Instead of that, what I'll do, I'll simply take a list of all this and I'll apply here. All the list. Okay, I just taken here. Now, now you need to tell me, I want same color combination. I need same color combination in this range. My range will be here to here. And I want to apply conditional formatting based on this. If I write LC here, then color should be. If I write HD here, then color should be
Green.
that I want. Tell me, how can I do that? Then, okay.
Rule.
Then,
Format only this and contents.
then,
Equal to.
if I want, I can write it manually like this. LC equal to LC. Then color should be
Red.
again. I'll go and I will click on manage rules. New rule. What is new rule? Equal to HD high definition. How to leave? Okay, not high definition. Done. Format should be
Green.
this green, this green. Everything is
Light
positive.
weight.
Is also okay.
Yeah.
Hit okay. Done. Next, again new rule. Equal to LB. It doesn't matter if you're writing small also, that is also fine. Doesn't matter uppercase, lowercase, doesn't matter. It works. Okay. LB format should be new rule. Cell contents. AL. No green. This is
Cream
this
color.
new rule. PR. PR means permission. This color I can. Now let me give this color. This is fine.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Hit okay. Again, last but not the least. Equal to AB. AB means
Absent.
done. Apply. Okay. Done. I have applied there, but I do not want to write it. I want to have same kind of drop down. Same kind of drop down. I want to have it. How will I do that? Alt list. List. My list is this. You can take it from here. This time it is called as a reference style, right? It's a reference style. Hit OK. Now you see, if I take LC, then you see the color. Here, if I take HD, then you see the color. Here, present. Huh? What happened? P. AB. AB is working, PR is working, AL is working, LV is working, HD is working, LC is working. P. Why? P we did not apply, yeah? No, I think we did not apply, right?
No, sir.
We don't apply. Okay, let
No.
me add P. For P also, let me add. What is present color?
White.
Okay. Remember, it's white only, na? Then don't require, right? Yeah, right. White color is there, right? So no need. Perfect. Done. Now let me add the rows, not rows, borders. Sorry, borders. This range. Now what I want to do is I want to see for this person, user one, employee ID one, how many LC he has taken, how many half day he has taken, how many LB taken, how many applied leave, how many PR, how many days absent, how many days present. That I want to take. Tell me which formula. It's a knowledge check, guys. That's what I told you, right? I'll give you 20 days time or 1 month time to you guys to practice. Then we'll discuss the projects. I want to take LC, count. Tell me, which function shall I apply here?
Count.
VLOOKUP, sir.
Count function.
No, VLOOKUP is taking yes, count. Who's saying count?
Count.
Hello.
Yes, sir.
The count function will apply, but not count. Count
If.
if. Because
To exactly match come out, sir.
yeah, because count if. Why count if? Because condition is there, right?
Yeah, because we are counting the value days.
If this is equal to LC, give me the count, right? So what I'll do is I will apply count if range. My range is from here to here. Yes, range is this, comma. By the way, before applying range, I will drag this formula which side? This side, right? I'll apply again. I'll take a range, same range here. Again, same range here. Again, same range here. In this case, the range should be E9 to AI8. Yes or no? AI9. Here the range will be. Here the range will be
11
E11
to AA.
AI11. Yes or no?
Yeah.
It means it is going down. If it is going from top to bottom, then what we need to please? E.
A.
No, no.
Or total.
I'll select both these and I will apply this freeze, not required. This freeze, not required. This freeze I'll apply. Yes or no?
Okay.
This column has to freeze. Yes or no? Now
Yes.
done. Now put a comma there. What is the criteria? Criteria is this. Yes. This time I'm taking this criteria. AK6, AL6, AM6, AN6. What is common?
666.
6 is common. I will freeze
6.
6. Job is done. Drag it to right and down. Now you see. Check this formula. Taking this, what is the range? I taken the wrong range there, right? In the first formula only. A, okay, this is okay. This is C, fine. This row and this one, fine. Here, this row and checking with this HD. Here, this row and checking with PR. Here, this row and checking with AB. Correctly? Correct? If I'm checking formula, let's suppose here, F2 key. This range is okay only, right? This range and AO6, nothing but this. Fine, na? Yeah? Fine. Now let me add. Example here, if I'm adding, let's suppose he is present for this day, these many days, Control R. How many PR now? Sorry, permission. PR means permission, 8. Can you count this? How many? It's 8 there. But the job is not done as of now. Now, this is working fine. Formulas are working fine. Data validation I have given here. I have given the conditional formatting as per the colors also. One thing is missing. What is that missing thing here? Saturday, Sunday. Yes or no? If I'm changing, if I'm taking May, Saturday, Sunday is here. If I'm taking April, Saturday, Sunday is here. So this Saturday, Sunday column, complete column, I want to give a different color. Like this. Can you see Saturday, Sunday columns?
Yeah.
If I choose, let's suppose May month, can you see the columns color getting changed as per the Saturday, Sunday? The column changing. That I want to give. Let me select this all columns. Conditional formatting, new rule. I'll go formula. I will say either one of them, right? Or which operator I will use? Or operator. Or what I will write? This cell. Yes. But this cell I'm checking here, this cell, here I'll be checking this cell, then this cell, then this cell. Yes or no? It means we are going from left to right. What has to freeze? I'm checking E6, F6, G6. What is common?
6. Yeah, please.
Okay. Equal to double quote SAT sat, comma, again
Sunday.
this I will freeze again 6 equal to SU and double quote close. I want to give which color? Let me give this color. Is it fine? This color or this color is fine? Yeah. Hit OK. Hit OK. Can you see? Now, if the moment I change the month, if I change the month here, September, you can check it. For the month of April, first Saturday Sunday coming when? 6th and 7th, 13 and 14. Can you see? 6, 7, 13, 14. Done. Same thing I want to take. This is coming for a particular person. For a particular person, this calculation. For this person, I want to see, okay, he was coming one day, late coming, then these are the numbers, right? But I want to take the same thing here also. Day wise. Day wise, I want to take. What I will take? These things I want to take here. Day wise. Same like this. You can look at here. Nothing but for this 1st July, how many person were present that I want to take out of 20? Correct. So what I will take this and I will paste it where here. How can I do like now it is coming into columns. I won't take into rows. Tell me which function? Function or which
Transpose function.
Transpose. Transpose.
Transpose.
yes. So what I'll
First
do,
order that, yeah.
I'll copy this and I will put my cursor here.
This goes to transpose.
Transpose.
Okay.
Job is done. Now let me give this as a range. This is my range. Job is done. Here also I want to apply. Same thing I will apply, right? The function will be
Count. If
count if. Range. What is my range? This is my range. Right? In this range, this time I'm looking for here to here. E8 to E27. This time I'll be looking for F8 to F27. Then I'll be looking for G8 to G27. What is common? Numbers are common, right? What I will do? I will freeze numbers. I'll select it. Number has to be freeze. F4 key. Not this is not my requirement. This is my requirement. Can you see dollar symbol before the number? Yes, done. Now put a comma. Criteria. What is my criteria? Here I will be searching for D29. Here I will be searching for here
S30.
D30, D31. D is common, right? D is common. I'll choose D. That's how you need to do. Drag it right hand side. Now let's check the formula. Let me check the formula here. F2 key. This is searching for this. Range is this. Perfectly fine. Let me check the formula here. F2. This is the range. Searching for this. Working fine. Done. Any questions? And by the way, how can I remove the grid lines? Select all. I will go to where? View and then grid lines.
Untick.
Remove it. I can also give border to this. I want to freeze here. Shortcut key, how to freeze from here? Alt W FF. Done. Now, the last column. This column. In this case, April month, this column should not be visible. Yes or no?
Yeah.
Nothing but Wednesday and May 1st should not be visible. Yes. So can I tell that if this cell month, what is the month in this cell?
May.
How can I fetch that? How can I fetch it? Can I write a function like how can I fetch a month?
Text.
Text of values this, comma, triple M, close. What is the month?
May.
Now if I'm writing a function, this cell, right? This cell is not equal to this cell. True or false? If it is true, then give me the conditional formatting font as white. Font as white. I can do it, right? So let me delete it. Let me select this entire column. Go to conditional formatting. New rule. Click here and equal to, right? Equal to this cell. This cell is not equal to what? Which function? Text function. Text of which cell? This cell, right? Comma, triple time M. And format nothing but this time I'm looking for font color. Font color should be white. Hit OK. Hit OK and hit OK. Can you see now? If I choose May, now May is not equal to May. May is not equal to May or not? Last time it was April is not equal to May. True. Then it was giving me font color is white. Now what is my requirement? Now its requirement is getting false. May is not equal to May. Now it's equal to May, right? That's what's giving me color. If I choose here July, see the color gone.
White.
Done?
Done.
Now if I choose April, not there. If I choose May, there. Correct? So how I entered this drop down as validation? Okay. And how apply validation here drop down? I explained you. How I took this as a formula. Okay. Then I added 1 everywhere. Then I applied a function here, text function, in order to take the date. So not date, day. I took it. Then I applied the conditional formatting wherever we have a Saturday, Sunday. I applied a function there. Here I applied a COUNTIF function. COUNTIF. Let me just rearrange all this. This is okay. And this is okay now. Perfect. Now you see. Now you see, let's suppose, let's give some random things. Example here, this person was present for this entire week. Control R. And then he took HD half day leave and half day leave here also. And here LC late coming. Here also late coming. Here let me take AL. Here let me take PR. Here let me take absent. Now see for this person, and let me fill for all the information for this employee. Okay. Here he was present, so present, control R. Okay. Same thing. Here let me also say present only for this entire month, for this entire week. Sorry. Okay, done. So filled in from here to here. Okay, here pending. Let me apply AL. Here let me apply AB. Let me apply LV. Done. Right? What is complete month for this employee user one? Can you see all the information filled in except Saturday, Sunday? So these details we have to fill in. Being a boss, you will fill it, or you can give this job to one of your SMA, subject matter expert in your office, or your TL. You can give this. That person has to maintain the sheet because it's very, very, very important. You know why it is important? Leave tracker. Why it's important?
Because we have to provide the salaries to them as per the leaves to the employees.
Salaries to them and half yearly appraisal or yearly appraisal also important. How many unscared leave you took? It's a matter of not about your performance. It's not about your core job. It's about your behavior also. There will be few person in the process in the team that they are excellent in the working, but they are not listening to the management. They are listening to the boss. They are taking unscared leave without information. So they will not be calling also to the bosses. They are taking unscared leave, and let's suppose shift timing is 9 to 6. Person is not there in office until 10 o'clock, 11 o'clock. Then he is getting a call from his or her boss. Where are you, sir? Sorry, actually today I am on leave. Then why you're telling now? Should have called me, right? You should have sent me a message. You should have discussed with me. That is called as a unscared leave. Yes or no? So those kind of unscared leaves and everything, it will be discussed as part of the half yearly appraisal or yearly appraisal, right? And also leave tracker, it's really important. Let's suppose we have some critical resource in the team. Let's suppose Pankaj is a critical resource in the team and he is running the payments. We are part of payment team. And there is one more backup in the process. Your backup is there in the process. If you are going on a planned leave, then that person can take care of the process in your absence, right? But let's suppose if leave tracker is not there, and the other person, he told me that, sir, I will be on leave on XYZ date or during this entire week because of my sister marriage, example. That person is telling me, right? Okay, then I'm aware. But I do not have leave tracker in place. What happens is that person will be going on leave for sure because he already told me. Pankaj took also on scared leave in that week for 2 days or 2 days. Or let's suppose there is no planned leave in advance. If you are not maintaining this tracker, then how would I know that, okay, who is going on a planned leave? Right? So planned leave is very, very important. You should understand when the person is taking leave and all. And also it will be showing me that, okay, this person has taken so many leaves. When he's coming to the office, he's coming on time or not, late coming. If every day one person is coming late to the office, it's not good. All the factors, all the parameters, it matters as part of your appraisal. What is appraisal in your, half yearly or yearly appraisal? You are getting some rating. Based on ratings, as per the tenure in your company, you'll get promoted. So no, based on your performance, based on your behavioral score, based on your learning, based on your skill set, based on your tenure in the company, you'll be promoted. If one person is doing great in the office, in the team, but he's never listening to the team members, he's not on time in the office, do you think that he or she will be promoted in the office? The answer is no. Every factor does matter. Every parameter is very, very important. Yeah, good. So that's how we need the leave tracker in place. Done. Now, can you see here? This person, user one, how many late, how many times he came to the office late? 3 times. Half day leave, how many time applied? How many leave? How many applied leave? Permission, absent, urgent. That's all. He's taken permission to go early to go to home. No, applied leave means complete. No. Permission means, let's suppose you're in office, your shift time is 9 to 6. Let's suppose there is a marriage, okay, or you have some important work, then you want to leave at 3 o'clock to office, 3 hours prior. Then that will be permission. And let's suppose tomorrow you will be on leave. Tomorrow you will be on leave, example. Then you will be applying applied leave. Done? Applied leave, see, don't look at these things. It's up to you guys. You can create 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 10, whatever you want as per your requirement, you can create it. Let's do not discuss all these things now. What is your all about and all. That's already? हाँ तो तभी तो fill नहीं किया ना मैंने Saturday Sunday blank only, right? I'm not filling anything here. Done? And this way also it will tell me. See, for this particular day, May 1st. Yes, I only filled in for this example. If I'm filling it here, here. How many person came late on 1st May? 5 people. And how can I protect the sheet? Let's suppose only TL can enter data here. Then simply he can protect the sheet. He can give the password, and whenever he is ready to fill in detail, he can unlock and he can fill it. And then again, it will be locked. So that other person cannot touch this file, cannot edit it. Otherwise, what will happen? There are 20 team members, one person can open it and change that particular date. Happens. And TL cannot remember all about 20 people or 30 days data set. With these many categories, we can't remember it. All set? Good? Any questions? So the project which I showed you also, right? PDF. So you have to work on that, this project. If you do not have these 3, can you check once in your phone right away in Google? Can you go into your Google Drive and check it once? Share with me. Go there and check that folder. Can you check it, guys, in your G Drive? Can you check it? Do you have this PDF or not? Online participant, please check it. Under project, just check it once. Go Google Drive, go into Google Drive and then show me. What will- Yes. Yes. So it is there with the name of 3D project for practice. Okay. Your batch number? Shrikant, you are in the same batch, right? You are Pankaj? Same? No, different batch. Okay. Okay, so it's there. It's a 3D project, right? It will be there, yes. So practice on this, and after this, you need to practice on leave tracker. Any questions, guys? Can you work on it?
Yes, sir.
Yes, no, maybe, can't say, will try. Will try means what? The person is not confident. I'll do it means
Will
permission
do.
is
We'll do it, sir.
Will do.
permission is there.
Sir, in every organization and every institution, anything we have to do in this method only, sir. What you have shown right now about the leave tracker.
These things, see, these things you can amend accordingly. Okay. I just gave the logic. I just gave explain you the requirements. Might be you will be having only 4 categories. Might be it can be leave, unscared leave, urgent, or holiday. Maybe, right? This thing you can just amend it and you can delete and you can increase the list as per your requirement. But yes, these things whatever I explained you day wise or the color combination of weekends, same, it has to be there, same logic. These
Okay.
things you can increase, decrease here and here. If you want to increase more columns, you can increase it as per your requirement. Let's suppose I want to also add location. I can add location also here. Yeah.
Yeah.
Here I can also add one more maximum. Let's suppose here I want to add max of let's suppose max of leave in this max of leave. Here I can apply max of leaves. It will give me, okay, example, if someone is taking 10 days leaves, then number 10 will be showing here, max of this column. Possible? I can take max function here, max of all these fields. Then it will show me that, okay, 10 leaves, then I can say, oh my God, who took 10? 10. But then if I see 10 here, example, 10 here, 10 leaves, then I can say, okay, this person. Username. It's up to you guys. You can just give another formula as per requirement, you can write it. But this is the as per the industry standard.
Okay.
Done? All set? All good, guys?
Yes.
Okay, then please practice and submit your project. These 2 projects, this leave tracker and the other one, which I showed you in PDF, that within a week. Today is Sunday. By Friday or Saturday, Sunday, or maybe Sunday also you can submit in your respective WhatsApp group. Okay. In
Okay,
case
sir.
of any questions, you can ask in WhatsApp group. Now, guys, I want you to reply the queries in WhatsApp group if you are okay. If you know that particular resolution for that particular query. If you are not, then we can respond to your queries. All set?
Yes, sir.
Okay then. Thank you so much for joining, guys, and have a nice day ahead. Happy Sunday. Bye, everyone.
Thank you, sir.
Bye, sir. Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.